as every coin has two faces. Similarly, a cyclist, for example, would be using her or his own motor skills instead of using the fuel or the motorable vehicles. Thank you. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Ruchika.
Yes, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Ruchika, please introduce yourself.
So my name is Ruchika. I come from village Kosli, which lies in district Rewari in state Haryana. I have done my schooling from my village itself. Thereafter, I did graduation as BSc Physics Honours from Gargi College, University of Delhi. Then I did Masters in Physics from Hansraj College, University of Delhi in 2022. Since then, I have been preparing for competitive exams.
Including civil services?
Yes, sir, including civil services.
Good, very good. Since you are a student of physics in graduation also, post-graduation also, I'll ask you a basic question. What is Fleming's left-hand rule and Fleming's right-hand rule?
Yes, sir. So Fleming's left-hand rule and right-hand rule both deals with the direction of current, magnetic field and the force. So one is related to the Fleming's left-hand rule is related to the magnetic field. When we provide magnetic field, what would...
Can you show us on the left, on the hands?
Yes, sir.
So, left and right hand.
Yes, sir. Fleming's left-hand rule. So this thumb gives the direction of the current.
Okay.
This finger, index finger, gives the direction of the force, magnetic force, and this finger, the middle finger, it would give the direction of the magnetic field, applied magnetic field.
Okay.
And
this
so
is applicable where, in which equipment?
So Fleming's left-hand rule, it is applicable in. So right now I'm not.
Motors.
So motors, regarding motors, I would say the Fleming's right-hand rule, because it is.
Okay, right hand. What is? How does right-hand rule work?
So right-hand rule works with respect to the induced electromagnetic induction also, and so in this also we will deal with the induced magnetic field because of the applied magnetic field. When we apply magnetic field, there is some induced magnetic field also at that point of time. Then again the force and the current, and all these are induced because of the externally applied magnetic field.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are a cyclist?
So it is a kind of leisure activity for me.
Now I am making a statement.
Yes, sir.
A cyclist is a disaster. A cyclist is a disaster for national economy. Do you agree? How? If you don't agree, why?
Yes.
Statement, listen again. A cyclist like you is a disaster for the national economy. Now you say.
Okay, so as every coin has two faces, similarly, a cyclist, for example, would be using her or his own motor skills instead of using the fuel or the motorable vehicles. The person would be using her or his own mobility. So, sir, at that juncture, it can be said that it would not be helpful in creating innovations, for example, the electric vehicles or the fuel-based vehicles. But if we consider environment into the GDP, then I would respectfully disagree that the cyclist would not be the disaster. Yes, sir. And
if he does not use fuel and the vehicles, does he add to the GDP or doesn't add to the GDP?
Sir, to some extent, he would be doing it in both sides. Towards the electronic equipments or the vehicles, he would not be able to contribute in that direction, but he would be acting in the direction that he would promote the cycling process, and he would promote more and more production of cycling and environment friendly the mobility activities.
Correct. Then what will happen?
So more and more cycling production.
So he will not use the vehicles?
So he will use.
He will not use the cyclist?
But sir, for long term, for the long distances,
Forget long. Normal day to day. Long is how much? Once or twice in a year, thrice in a year. But every day he moves around the whole city. And if he's a cyclist, he will move on the cycle. He will not use car. He will not use vehicle.
yes, sir.
Not take the driver. A disaster? No.
So for long distances, I was trying
Once
to say.
in 2 years, but twice in a year, that's all.
Yes, sir. So I was trying to say, for example, a person lives in Gurgaon or in Delhi and he or she is going for work in Gurgaon or say Noida. It is humanly difficult, very difficult to go to these long distances on cycling. So at that point of time, they will be using the vehicles.
Okay. Now I'm making again a statement.
Yes, sir.
Is India enemy of Pakistan or Pakistan is enemy of India?
So it has been claimed that, and it also has been very clear that in 2014 itself, the leaders from every SAARC country were invited, but Pakistan did not show up due to some of their preoccupations maybe, and there have been various incidences in which there are claims that Pakistan has promoted terrorism to some extent into our country. But at that point, but also India has supported supported Pakistan in various ways. For example, there was a flood in Pakistan, and India provided humanitarian aid at that point of time. India supported it. Also, so India was supporting the economy through various Pakistani dramas are very popular in India.
Is the Pakistan enemy of India or India is enemy of Pakistan? That's the question.
So extremely saying that a country is the enemy of any other country, in India Pakistan case is not something that is the official statement right now.
You have been given a question and 2 answers. Select the one. Or
Yes.
none.
Yes, sir.
None is also.
Yes, sir.
Select out of the 3. India is enemy of Pakistan. A. B. Pakistan is enemy of India. C. None.
So I would select none.
Why?
So because there have
They are killing our people. Day in and day out. They are killing now. They are creating all sorts of trouble. We have no other trouble than this trouble.
So saying this that we have not any other trouble, and Pakistan is a country which is the only trouble.
Biggest trouble. We have lots of trouble. Biggest trouble is this.
So I would say this is to some extent our own limitation that we are not able to protect our country from these
That's a different point. Okay.
infiltrations.
What is corporate social responsibility and how does it work?
Yes, sir. So corporate social responsibility refers to the responsibility towards the society, towards the environment of the corporate world. There have been regulations as well. I'm not aware of the exact data, but some proportion of the 3 years profit of the companies they have to distribute it, or they have to give it to the society. For example, there have been instances where various companies have contributed towards NGOs as a part of their corporate social responsibility.
Okay.
Could you tell me a little more about your family background?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, regarding my family background, my father works in Delhi Police. My grandfather has served as good supervisor in Indian Railways. My mother is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings. My sister, she is also preparing, and my brother is in school.
Your sister is preparing for?
Ma'am, competitive exams.
Okay. So, what made you choose physics? You did BSc, then MSc, and now you're preparing for civil services. Why so?
Ma'am, regarding why I chose physics, it was because of the interest that I had. I was studying in 9th and 10th class. At that point of time only, I felt that mathematics is a good... I had choice between mathematics and physics only, because chemistry I did not like as much, and also regarding biology, it was very difficult for me. regarding physics and chemistry, I decided after my class 12th, I explored both the subjects. And then after my 12th, I thought that mathematics is a language, but physics has practical applications also. So that is why physics. Regarding civil services examinations, ma'am, when I was studying in graduation as well as during masters, I felt that doing research would not help me and would not help the country for me utilizing as a human resource, because ma'am, I was physically active also during my graduation. As I've mentioned also, I have participated in the march past competitions for all the 3 years. So I was physically active as well as I was trying to do good in academics. No.
When you say physically active, what is the parameter of physical activity in the armed forces or in the CPF? What do you think is the physical standards for a lady?
Ma'am, physical standards, as I mentioned in the guidelines as well. For example, the height-based physical standards or the...
No, I'm not talking about that.
Okay.
I'm talking about physical fitness.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you think are the physical fitness standards that are required from any person?
Ma'am, their motorable skills should be fine. They should be able to at least hold the weight of the guns or the artilleries, and they should be able to use them.
Are you aware that there is something called, like, you have a running test, have you ever done any physical activity in that sense?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then how do you think that you're going to measure up?
Ma'am, because I have been physically active. For example, I do physical exercise for at least 10 to 15 minutes on daily basis at my home.
Okay, fine. We will come to that later. Your father was in the police, right?
Ma'am, he is right now also.
Okay. Because here it says that he's no longer serving. I believe somewhere it says that. Not in service. Achha, your mother is not in service. Okay. Your mother is not in service. Okay, and he's the head constable. So have you ever tried to find out that what are the physical standard requirements for anybody in the, say, police or paramilitary or CAPF?
Ma'am, I've asked my father regarding the physical examination test that he had to go through while he was preparing for this post when he was being inducted. So he also had to go for the physical examination test. That
you're talking about medical examination.
Ma'am, before medical, the physical also happens, in which there is various running and all.
Yeah, but that is the test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking about when the training happens then.
Ma'am, when the training happens, then he say, as I have asked from him also, him only, and he has told me that you have to get up at 5 a.m. and some basic exercises, and if someone gets late, then it's a punishment. You have to be very punctual. And ma'am, all these basic exercise he told me, not some rigorous exercise.
Okay. Sure. Okay, what do you think is happening in the country right now? What is the current situation, political situation?
Ma'am, current situation is regarding the terrorist attack that has happened in the Kashmir Valley or Pahalgam region. Ma'am, the communal violences are not as much. This is one of the achievement that our country has witnessed. That such an incident has taken place, and even after that, no communal violence, which shows that we are not violent in our basic sense.
No, I'm not asking about that. I'm just asking you what is the current situation and what do you think is in the offing?
Ma'am, the recent Pahalgam attack, the Waqf bill.
That is already done.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the Waqf bill was also in news. Ma'am, and what steps should be taken in order to combat these terror attacks are now in news.
Okay. um, when you say that, what is this march past that you have said that you have taken part in?
Ma'am, during annual sports day in the college, there was interdepartmental march past competition that happened every year. So every department had their teams, and they would select their teams, not the traditional team that once selected it's done. It would be selected when the competition dates are announced, and then we do march past on the annual sports day. Various departments, all the departments of the college, and the departments that perform well in the march past, they are also awarded.
Okay. Why are you interested in CAPF now? What is it that is attracting you?
Ma'am,
You were appearing for civil services.
yes, ma'am.
So is this a backup option, or what is it that is attracting you to it?
Ma'am, when I started preparing for civil services in 2022. I appeared, it was in 2023, my first attempt was there. And I was doing all that from my home itself. And I was not aware of as much exams. In January 2023, I came to Delhi. I gave my first attempt, and for the next whole year, I was in Delhi only. And then I came to know about this CAPF exam also, and thereafter I appeared for this exam in this year.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Alright.
So, you've done your graduation from two reputed colleges in Delhi University. Who are both of these colleges named after?
Ma'am, first I would like to talk about Gargi College. The college was established in the year 1967. It is named after sage Gargi, who appears in Brihad Aranyak Upanishad. She is known for her intellectual prudence and the dialogues with her guru, sage Yagyavalk. She is an epitome of intelligence that women carry. Ma'am, regarding Hansraj College, the college was established in 1948. It is named after Mahatma Hansraj, who was a follower of Arya Samaj. He is known for establishing first DAV school in Lahore, and he was a compatriot of Lala Lajpat Rai.
Any other sages that you know from the Upanishadic age other than Gargi?
Ma'am, Maitri is one of them,
Right.
and ma'am, right now I'm not able to recall.
And what do you know about Arya Samaj?
Yes, ma'am. Arya Samaj was established by Dayanand Saraswati in the year 1875, and ma'am, it was a kind of movement to revive Hinduism. It also follows the infallibility of Vedas, and that's all I know right now.
Infallibility of Vedas, but do you not think that was more related to the other social religious movements? There was one more movement contemporary of the Arya Samaj
Yes.
that was more reformist than revivalist.
Yes, ma'am. It was by Swami Vivekanand, if I'm not wrong. The Ram Krishna Mission was it. Yes, ma'am. It was a kind of reformist movement, and this Ram Krishna movement, it did not support infallibility of Vedas. They supported worship of a single god and not some Murti Puja.
But Murti Puja was also banned in Arya Samaj. So how are these two different?
Ma'am, because this Ramakrishna mission was not for the revival of Hinduism. The Arya Samaj was in favor of revival of Hinduism.
Who gave the slogan back to Vedas?
Ma'am, if I'm not wrong, Dayanand Saraswati himself gave the slogan.
Your father is in Delhi police, and you've seen the tough life and situation that he has had to face. Was it tough?
Man, since we live in Haryana and his job profile is based in Delhi, so traveling was one of the thing that he faced. And second is regarding the commando service he was in, for example, outside the parliament building. So that was one of the struggling job because he has to be very active, and ma'am also late night duties, and then coming back to the barracks because the police is responsible at that point only when you are serving. If something happens outside, then they are not as much responsible. For example, when my father was serving in 2007 and it was in parliament building only, I'm not exactly remembering it, but when he was coming back, there was a sewer lid that was open and his auto was reversed at that point of time, and he had a major injury in his backbone, and there was no one to help at that point of time. So these can be some of the things, some of the struggles that they can face.
So after seeing all these struggles, you still want to join a police force?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because I would be serving the nation first. Second, ma'am, as a woman, being physically empowered, it's a good way to be physically empowered, and it is very important. For example, any situation can arise, any extreme situation can arise. For example, any wars can happen. Women and children are at that point of time the very vulnerable section. If I am physically empowered, I can help other women also at that point of time first. Second, I would be serving the nation. I would be utilizing myself as a human resource at that point of time. So ma'am, these are the reasons that I want to serve.
Ruchika, what is a geostationary satellite?
So geostationary satellite is the one which revolves around the earth in such a manner that its the revolution frequency matches with the earth, and it is able to provide 24-hour surveillance at a particular location for which it is provided.
Geostationary means what? Geo means
Globe or the earth.
earth. Stationary?
Stationary means at rest.
Stable. Stable with respect to earth.
Yes.
At a particular place.
Yes, sir.
Good. Just go, will call you in 15 seconds.
Okay, sir.
And we'll give you feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, have a seat. One very particular, when is your interview?
Sir, 9th of May.
9th of May. One very particular unique thing I observed is you catch the point very fast and very good, but you leave it immediately. Left hand rule, right hand rule, nobody could tell till date. You are the only one who told. Number 2, cyclist is a disaster. You exactly pinpointed the problem. But after that, we went here, there, everywhere. You're absolutely right when you said he will not use the car.
Yes, sir.
But again, went here and there, I don't know where. Lost completely after that.
Yes, sir.
He will not use the car. He will be a fit person, will not use the hospital. He will not use the medicines.
Yes, sir.
What will happen to the country's economy?
Yes, sir.
National disaster.
Yes, sir.
You were on the point, but again, many places. Madam asked about the terrorism or something. Waqf कहाँ से आया उसमें? You asked what is the latest problem?
Yes, sir.
Waqf उसमें कहाँ से आया?
Sir, I thought.
You are absolutely right, terrorism.
Yes.
You are going there, went there. और फिर वो डर के वापस आ गए. वक्फ कहाँ से आया?
Sir, I thought I have to give a list.
And then long answers. Madam asked on whose name these colleges have been, on whom the colleges have been named Gargi and Hansraj. You said Gargi, Saint Gargi or whatever. No, say which Gargi? Whichever. Gargi did this, Gargi did that, Gargi did that, Gargi. लंबा ऐसे लिख दिया उसके ऊपर, गार्गी के ऊपर. तो सिंपल पूछा था किसके नाम पे है गार्गी, who was she, तब पूछो तो next question जाओ.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, it is named after Gargi, so Gargi, whichever. बस खत्म. Pinpointed. हंसराज, पूरी हिस्ट्री हंसराज की बता दी. Because you knew it.
Yes, sir.
1948 में किया था, कब किया था पूछा नहीं. Ma'am, it is named after Saint Hansraj in Delhi. कितना you asked the question कि you saw your father in the police and a very tough job, why you want to go? Now इतना tough बना दिया आपने उस job को. Police is responsible outside office, police not responsible inside office.
Yes, sir.
Major injury, minor injury to my father, scooter, ऑटो गिर गया, वो ऑटो के ऊपर गिर गया, वो ऑटो के ऊपर गिर गया, इन ऑल दिस. कितना लंबा लंबा लेक्चर दिया.
Okay, sir.
आउटसाइड ऑफिस नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
नहीं, सबसे ऑटो गिर गया, वो तो किसी के साथ भी गिर सकता है.
हाँ, ऑटो के ऊपर गया, ऑटो के ऊपर गिर गए, कहते ने क्या क्या बोला, कोई नहीं सुनता इन चीजों को.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am, it's a tough job. You say this, तो ऐसा है, it's a tough job. How? It's in the forces, it's call of the duty. You are on duty 24 hours. Any time you can be called and you have to go. It's a call of the duty.
Yes, sir.
At that time, you don't see what is happening in the house, whether you've eaten the food or not, whether your children have eaten food or not, what's happening to your wife, she's ill, sick, whatever. Duty is duty. It's tough. बस खत्म बात.
Yes, sir.
इतने बात. Geostationary. Geo means earth. Stationary means station. Satellite normally revolves around the earth.
Around that, yes, sir.
If the speed of the two is different, then it's normal satellite for a particular purpose. But you rightly said, again फिर कहीं घूमे कि when the speed of the satellite revolving and speed of the earth is same, it appears that it is stable, stationary. It is stationary. Although it is revolving, but looks like stationary. That's why it's called geostationary. Particular purpose to observe that particular area of influence. Not everything. That's why it's geostationary. Simple. You are a physics student. Concrete answer चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
But problem क्या है कि आए बिल्कुल एकदम एग्जैक्ट स्टार्ट किया और फिर एवरी क्वेश्चन CSR पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला. हाँ, we asked this question to a civil service fellow whether India is enemy of Pakistan or Pakistan enemy of India. This fellow last year replied so brilliantly, all of us clapped sitting there. He said, "Answer, sir. India is not enemy of Pakistan. Pakistan also is not enemy of India. Pakistan is their own enemy." तो बच्चे ने जवाब दिया, मजा आया सुन के, क्रैप किया हमने ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू. पाकिस्तान इट्स ओन एनिमी. दे डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू देयर कंट्री. दे हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू द इकोनॉमी. दे डू नॉट नो वेयर देयर आर्मी इज गोइंग. दे हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट आर देयर इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू देम. कुछ पता नहीं उनको, वो अपने दुश्मन बने हुए हैं. डिस्पाइट द सिचुएशन व्हाट दे आर इन, दे आर स्टिल अटैकिंग इंडिया and taking पंगा with India. They are their own enemy. ये दुश्मनी जो अब हो रही है आज की, किसने मोल ली है? हमने तो नहीं ली, उन्होंने. इस हालत में हो गए, तो पानी नहीं है, खाने को नहीं है, तेल नहीं है, इक्विपमेंट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है उनके पास. अब फिर हमसे पंगा, तो अपने दुश्मन हुए ना. बेवकूफ़ी ऐसा काम करेगा कोई, कौन बेवकूफ़ है अपना दुश्मन होगा. तो दे आर देयर ओन एनिमी. ये पूछा जा सकता है.
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज चल रहा ना वॉर हिस्टीरिया,
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें बी केयरफुल। छोटे आंसर दो, ज़्यादा पता है तो छोटे में इतने छोटे भी नहीं कि मतलब टू कट भी नहीं, थोड़े से, बट वॉट एवर यू आर आंसरिंग could bring down to 60%, 40% एक्स्ट्रा है ना। पता सब कुछ है, बताने के चक्कर में मुझे सब पता है, अभी बता देती हूँ। जस्ट कंट्रोल। Want to say something?
No.
Yes, sir.
These are mostly covered in.
You want to ask anything? This is opportunity. पूछो जो पूछना हमसे।
No, sir. That's all.
Anything कुछ माइंड में कुछ है बात, कुछ डाउट है किसी चीज़ के बारे में, कुछ भी है पूछो।
So what I learned from this interview was that I need to give very short, crisp, and
No, very
point
short,
was
not very short, short,
Short.
very नहीं,
Okay,
short,
sir. Yes, sir.
short। पता सब कुछ है मुझे। I was very happy when you answered left hand rule, when you started cycle question also। Nobody could, it's such a question, a cycle is a disaster। कौन सोच सकता है सब बातें?
Yes, sir.
But you started very well।
Okay.
उसको maintain करता है।
Yes, sir.
और क्या सीखा?
So अभी तो यही समझ में आया कि पॉइंट वाइज एंड टू द पॉइंट आंसर देना है, बिल्कुल जितना पूछा
जितना
जाए
पूछा उतना ही।
उतना ही आंसर देना है,
ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं।
ज़्यादा
तो क्या हुआ जी, जितना लंबा आंसर उसमें से क्वेश्चन निकलते जाएंगे
हाँ।
and you'll be tracked।
एंड मुझे ये रियलाइज ही नहीं हुआ कि सिर्फ मुझसे इतना ही पूछा गया है कि किसके नाम पर कॉलेज बना है,
यही पूछा
मैं
गया।
ऐसे बताने लगी, ये चीज़ मुझे लगा
Because they are seeking information।
यस सर।
I am sure she will not be knowing कि किसके नाम पे ये। पता था आपको? मुझे नहीं पता था,
यस सर।
मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली।
यस सर।
कई बार ऐसे अपने इन्फॉर्मेशन मांग लेते थे करा।
हाँ जी sir.
मुझे अगर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकता, मुझे नहीं पता था, तो जस्ट टू सीक इन्फॉर्मेशन। वी ऑल्सो लर्न द प्रोसेस नो,
यस सर।
वी ऑल्सो लर्न द प्रोसेस। तो जितना पूछे उतना बताओ और बता के, ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं ज़्यादा बड़ा है
यस सर।
ना, एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं।
यस सर। रिगार्डिंग आई कांटेक्ट, मतलब जिसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है पैनल मेंबर ने, उन्हीं के साथ कांटेक्ट आई कर रखना है?
Look at the others also। अच्छा हाँ, greeting process, greeting। When you entered, you greeted her separately, me separately, madam separately।
यस सर।
Only 2 greetings। How? Find out first when you are sitting outside, ask the peon who are all sitting inside। He will tell you एक मैडम है 4 सर है।
यस सर।
He will tell, बता दो। या कोई इंटरव्यू करके निकले उनसे पूछ लो कौन कौन। When you go inside, first greet the madam wherever she is sitting, there, here, anywhere,
यस सर।
anywhere। Good afternoon, ma'am। Then good afternoon, sirs। Look at all the sirs and good afternoon, sir, and in the middle, good afternoon, sirs।
यस सर।
Look at everybody, sir। Fraction of a second,
यस सर।
greeting, 2 greetings only, no individual greeting।
यस सर।
उसमें क्या होता है, एक छूट जाता है 5 में से, हो गया, मुझे तो किया नहीं। आपकी इंटेंशन नहीं है नहीं करने की, लेकिन उसको लगता है।
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ, तो look at everybody, only 2 greetings। Stand near the chair when you come and wait for their instructions। They normally say please not please। If they forget, काम में लगे अपने, भूल गए, नहीं बोला आपको, फिर क्या करोगे?
Sir, I will keep standing, I think.
After about 4-5 seconds, if you kindly permit, sir, may I please sit down?
Okay sir.
वो जैसे प्लीज sit down, वो कहेंगे। They have no intention to keep you standing, वो काम में लगे अपना।
Yes sir.
Oh yes, please sit down, please sit down। तो you are in control। Nervousness गई? If you say this positively from your side, if you kindly please permit me, may I please sit down?
Yes.
yes, please sit down। तो लगेगा यार हमने गलती कर दी, तुमको लगेगा ये अपनी गलती मान रहे हैं, तो you are in control। Once you are in control, तो आपको confidence 7th heaven पे। That's what is required in the interview, confidence।
Yes sir.
तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट स्कोर करना मिल गया। ये पर्पस है। आराम से 5-6 सेकंड, 5 सेकंड नॉर्मली बहुत होता है पासिंग। 1 2 3 4 5, ये 5 सेकंड में, इतना टाइम बहुत होता है। 5 सेकंड बाद पूछ लो, आराम से बैठ जाओ। थोड़ा पीछे होकर बैठो,
Yes sir.
पीछे होकर बैठो थोड़ा। हाँ, ये पोज है। आराम से बैठे हो, यस, टॉकिंग टू colleagues, ऐसे होता है ना.
Yes, sir.
मेक यूज ऑफ हैंड्स लिटिल बिट, थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे थोड़ा यूज करो अपना पॉइंट को समझाने के लिए, टू स्ट्रेस योर पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, ऐसे नहीं कहते झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, इससे क्या इम्पैक्ट आता है? नहीं आता,
Yes, sir.
हैंड से आता है झंडा ऊंचा रहे. थोड़े हैंड्स यूज करो. मैनी पीपल टेल कि हैंड ऐसे बैठो ऐसे बैठो, वो नहीं, यूज योर हैंड्स लिटिल बिट. और पूछो.
So since my final interview is on 9th, तो सर अभी से और 9th तक मुझे किस
न्यूज़पेपर
तरीके
पढ़ो, रिलैक्स रहो, नो टेंशन, आपका सिलेक्शन पक्का है. कीप लिटिल शॉर्ट, टू द पॉइंट. ये स्पेक्स जो है मुझे थोड़ा डाउट है, आपने स्पेक्स में देखी कि ऊपर से देख रही हो?
सर ये थोड़ा सा लूज है, थोड़ा नीचे
क्योंकि
हो
आप
सकता है
देख रहे हो
पर-
बीच में से,
हाँ जी सर.
ना ऊपर से ना नीचे से, फ्रेम आगे आ रहा है.
यस सर.
आपको डिस्टेंस की विजन प्रॉब्लम है कि नियर की?
सर डिस्टेंस नहीं,
लग तो नहीं रहा.
सर थोड़ा डिस्टेंस का ही प्रॉब्लम है.
उतारो उसे. अब यू कैन सी अस.
यस सर.
क्यों लगाना?
सर एक्चुअली वो उसमें एक गाइडलाइंस में आया था कि आपने जैसे ही फोटो लगाई
अच्छा,
है
जैसे
या
फोटो
जैसा
लगाई।
रिटर्न में आपने यूज किया
वही।
है, तो अभी रिटर्न में
तो इसको
specs
देख लो
है.
थोड़ा सा, या तो ठीक करा दो.
Yes, sir.
ये बीच में ऐसे हो रहा है, बीच ये यूं हो रहा है,
हाँ
यूं
जी.
या आँख यहाँ आ रही है.
हाँ जी.
मैं ऐसे करता हूँ. मैंने बनवाया तो डिस्टेंस का भी है, ये मेरी डिस्टेंस का विजन ठीक हो गया. मैंने कैसे नोटिस किया, जब मैं लोगों से बात करता था ऐसे बात करने लगा. मैं ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ, इसके थ्रू क्यों कर रहा हूँ, इसके थ्रू मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसे बिल्कुल ठीक है. इसका मतलब मेरा विजन ठीक हो गया डिस्टेंस का, तो मैं यूज ही नहीं करता डिस्टेंस. हैबिट की बात है. तो देख लो थोड़ा, इसका थोड़ा सा awkward लग रहा था ये,
यस सर.
बिल्कुल इसकी आँखें सामने आ रही है.
हाँ जी सर.
तो व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू आई कांटेक्ट विद यू, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं ऊपर से आई कांटेक्ट करूँ नीचे से करूँ. मेरा ध्यान बार बार वहाँ जा रहा था कि ऊपर से आई कांटेक्ट करूँ, नीचे आई कांटेक्ट करूँ, बीच को ये फ्रेम बीच में आ रहा है बिल्कुल.
यस सर.
जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, देख लो आप, थोड़ी हैबिट की बात.
हाँ जी सर.
ओके. और पूछो.
You're talking very softly. थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा सॉफ्ट, थोड़ा हार्ड, थोड़ा ऑथेंटिक, थोड़ा ऑथेंटिक. पुलिस के
with a
जैसा.
little conviction.
घर में पुलिस है भाई.
हाँ.
पापा कैसे बोलते हैं मुझे? ए छोरी ऐसे बोलते हैं ना हरियाणवी लैंग्वेज में.
यस सर.
ऐसे बोलते हैं?
समटाइम्स
Sometimes,
नॉट एवरी टाइम.
ना एवरी टाइम तो नहीं बोलेंगे वो, ऑफ कोर्स
सब मजाक में कभी.
मजाक में. गांव में तो हर टाइम बोलते हैं ऐसे ही, यहाँ आके मजाक में अच्छा बोलते हैं. तो वो ऑथेंटिक हो, वॉइस,
यस सर.
पुलिस की वॉइस. पुलिस में जा रहे हो,
हाँ जी सर.
पुलिस की वॉइस. सिविल सर्विस में आईपीएस मिल सकती है, फिर हम तो बोलना पड़ेगा. बट ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए,
यस सर.
इतना सॉफ्ट नहीं. और पूछो.
सर वॉइस स्टैमरिंग भी
नहीं, स्टैमरिंग तो नहीं है. किसने कहा स्टैमरिंग है? किसने कहा?
नहीं सर. ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में एक दो जगह पे बोला है कि थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी वॉइस कांप रही है और उस वजह से नर्वसनेस लगती है.
एक्सपीरियंस हो गया ना अब तो. स्टार्टिंग में कहा होगा, अब तो एक्सपीरियंस हो गया आपको बोलने का.
ओके सर. सर yesterday only,
Yesterday only, who said this?
so there was.
No stammering, ना कुछ नहीं है.
ओके सर.
नोटिस किया तो हम बोल ही देते.
यस
हमने नोटिस किया तो हम बोल ही देते. स्टैमरिंग तो पता लग जाता है. हाँ, इस आंसर्स में स्टैमरिंग है, बिल्कुल ठीक चल रहे हैं, फिर इधर गए, फिर इधर गए, फिर इधर गए, हम भूल गए उसको क्या था. फिर दूसरा आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक चला, फिर इधर 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 इधर. थर्ड आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक चला, फिर इधर 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 इधर, पता नहीं कहाँ वक्त बोर्ड. टेरर की बात करते करते वक्त की बात कर दी.
यस सर.
दैट काइंड ऑफ. साइकिलिस्ट की बात करते करते पता नहीं कहाँ पहुंची. पता नहीं क्या आंसर दिया. साइकिलिस्ट इतना बढ़िया पकड़ा था आपने कि विल नॉट यूज द व्हीकल, विल नॉट यूज द फ्यूल. परफेक्ट. पता नहीं फिर कहाँ पहुंच गए. नैक है आपको पूरी पकड़ने की, बताओ. नैक पूरी है. थोड़ा सा 2-4 बार इस तरह के इंटरव्यू कर लोगे ना, बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगा. और बोलो. और पूछो.
So regarding the attire, so the attire, the
आप
sari.
बताइए.
See, I was thinking, I mean, although I think by the regulations you can wear a sari, but I would prefer that going in the police, better to be dressed in a suit.
Okay.
ठीक है, UPSC में बिल्कुल you should be wearing a sari. You should be. It's a national dress. There's nothing wrong with it. But then I think she also
ये
said
राजन
that,
है ना, राजन को जानती हो? अच्छा, यहाँ बैठे, you didn't see him. Shruti, you know, this girl who is coordinating all this.
Yes, sir.
Her friend is Rajan, who was sitting here some times ago. He is into CAPF already. You ask him what kind of attire is required. It'll be better, huh?
better है, हाँ.
He is already in CAPF.
Absolutely.
तो बता देंगे, राजन
Do you
बता.
have a suit या नहीं? अभी बनवाना पड़ेगा अगर
मैम अगर अभी लिया तो फिर बनवाना
तो you just go ahead with this.
नहीं फिर वो फिटिंग ठीक है नहीं है
Then you
क्या?
go ahead with this.
तो
Then it's
many
too late.
problems है ना फिटिंग
Don't even think about
हो
it.
जाएगा.
छोड़ दो उसको.
और बोलो.
So that's all. आप बता दीजिए अगर कुछ हो.
That's all. ये सब नहीं चलेगा.
थोड़ा सा connection.
पुलिस. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. That's all.
Thank you very much, sir. That's all from my side.
बेटर. कुछ मत करो अभी 3-4 दिन के बाद आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ो, देखो कंट्री में क्या हो रहा है, सब ये सब पूछा जाएगा और कुछ नहीं पूछा. फिजिक्स का तो ठीक है, वो कर दिया काम आपने. दैट्स डन. पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट है, ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.